Classes. Classes are group of words that have a subject and a predicate. Independent clauses express a complete thought and can stand alone as a sentence, but subordinate clauses depend on other parts of the sentence to express a complete thought. Main, principal, and subordinate dependent clauses. Example: the children went home when the school was over. The underlined part does not sound complete and they depend on the other part. So we say that the underlined clause is dependent clause or subordinate clause. The clause that can stand independently is called main or principal clause. So the children went home is the main or principal clause. When the school was over is the subordinate clause, that is otherwise called the dependent clause. There are three kinds of subordinate clause. Noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. An adverb clause is a group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adverb. An adjective clause is a group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective. A noun clause is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of a noun. Kinds of adverb clause. Adverb clause of time, adverb clause of place, adverb clause of reason, adverb clause of purpose, adverb clause of result, adverb clause of condition, adverb clause of manner, adverb clause of comparison, adverb clause of concession. Adverb clause of time. Example 1. She will come after the school is over. She will come is the main clause. After the school is over is the subordinate adverb clause. Subordinate adverb clause. Second one. My sister washed the clothes while I went to the market. My sister washed the clothes is the main clause. While I went to the market is the adverb clause of time. It can be said as subordinate adverb clause. He cannot come until the time is over. He can't come is the main clause. Until the time is over is the subordinate adverb clause. The child shouted when it saw a lion. The child shouted is the main clause. When it saw a lion is the subordinate adverb clause. You can't see before you have dusted it. You can't see is the main clause. Before you have dusted it is the subordinate adverb clause. Adverb clause of place. Example 1. The wind blows where it likes. The wind blows is the main clause. Where it likes is the subordinate adverb clause. You may go wherever it pleases you. You may go is the main clause. Wherever it pleases you is the subordinate adverb clause. Adverb clause of reason. Example 1. My parents were happy because I stood first in the class. My parents were happy is the main clause. Because I stood first in the class is the subordinate adverb clause. She was glad that her mother liked her idea. She was glad is the main clause. That her mother liked her idea is the subordinate adverb clause. As she had to study, she couldn't come for the birthday party. She couldn't come for the birthday party is the main clause. As she has to study. As she had to study is the adverb clause. Subordinate adverb clause. Since today is the holiday, let us go for a picnic. Let us go for a picnic is the main clause. Since today is a holiday is subordinate adverb clause. Adverb clause of purpose. We climbed up the stairs in order that we could reach the mangoes on the tree. We climbed up the stairs is the main clause. In order that we could reach the mangoes on the tree is subordinate adverb clause. She completed her work so that she could escape from punishment. She completed her work is the main clause. So that she could escape from punishment is subordinate adverb clause. Keep your money in the bank in case it is stolen. Keep your money in the bank is the main clause. In case it is stolen is the subordinate adverb clause. Adverb clause of result. The crops grew so tall that we could not identify the person standing in the field. The crops grew so tall is the main clause. That we could not identify the person standing in the field is subordinate adverb clause. He did it so cleverly that no one understood anything. He did it cleverly is the main clause. So that no one understood anything is the subordinate adverb clause. Adverb clause of condition. She will get a first class if she studies well. She will get a first class is the main clause. If she studies well is the subordinate adverb clause. Unless you apologize, you will be dismissed. You will be dismissed is the main clause. Unless you apologize is the adverb clause, subordinate adverb clause. Adverb clause of manner. The sea raged as it was forecast. The sea raged is the main clause. As it was forecast is the subordinate adverb clause. The boys roamed about just as they pleased. The boys roamed about is the main clause. Just as they pleased is the subordinate adverb clause. Adverb clause of comparison. My sister is taller than I am. My sister is taller is the main clause. Than I am is the subordinate adverb clause. A donkey is not so stupid as we think it to be. A donkey is not so stupid is the main clause. As we think it to be is the subordinate adverb clause. Adverb clause of concession. She wouldn't mind even if they dropped her from the team. She wouldn't mind is the main clause. Even if they dropped her from the team is subordinate adverb clause. He was a man of courage though he had no physical strength. He was a man of courage is the main clause. Though he had no physical strength is subordinate adverb clause. Although he failed in the exam, the boy did not cry. The boy did not cry is the main clause. Although he failed in the exam is the subordinate adverb clause. No matter what the consequences are, he has decided to own up. He has decided grown up is the main class. No matter what the consequences are, is the subordinate adverb class. Adjective class. An adjective class is a group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective. Example 1. The village where she lived is over there. The village is over there is the main class. Where she lived is subordinate adjective class. This is the girl who talked to me today. This is the girl is the main class. Who talked to me today is subordinate adjective class. Where is the boy whom you punished? Where is the boy is the main class. Whom you punished is subordinate adjective class. The time when the mall opens has been changed. The time has been changed is the main class. When the mall opens is subordinate adjective class. I have lost the book which you lent me. I have lost the book is the main class. Which you lent me is subordinate adjective class. The moment which is last forever. The moment which is last forever. The moment is last forever is the main class. Which is last is subordinate adjective class. My mother gave me everything that I asked for. My mother gave me everything is the main class. That I asked for is subordinate adjective class. All the blessings that we enjoy come from God. All the blessings come from God is the main class. That we enjoy is subordinate adjective class. The fox saw the grapes which hung over the garden wall. The fox saw the grapes is the main class. Which hung over the garden wall is subordinate adjective class. He could not answer the question that I asked him. He could not answer the question is the main class. That I asked him is subordinate adjective class. Noun class. A noun class is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of a noun. Example, I hope that I shall get the salary. The group of words that I shall get the salary contains the subject and a predicate of its own. It is therefore a class. This class is the object of the verb hope and so does the work of a noun. Therefore, it is called a noun class. A noun class can be the subject of a verb, the object of a transitive verb, the complements of verbs, the objects of prepositions, noun clauses, opposition to nouns or pronouns. The subject of a verb. Noun clause can be a subject of a verb. For example, what you told me was the truth. It was the truth is the main clause. What you told me is subordinate noun clause. How he could get out of the difficulty was the question. It was the question is the main clause. How he could get out of the difficulty is subordinate noun clause. The object of a transitive verb. Example, tell me why you said that. Tell me is the main clause. Why you said that is the subordinate noun clause. I earn whatever I can. I earn is the main clause. Whatever I can is the subordinate noun clause. A noun clause can be the complements of verbs. Example, this is where I am studying. This is the place is the main clause. Where I am studying is subordinate noun clause. The difficulty is that I have lost it. The difficulty is this. Is the main clause. That I have lost it is subordinate noun clause. A noun clause can be the objects of prepositions. Example, pay attention to what you are doing. Pay attention to this is the main clause. What you are doing is subordinate noun clause. He made no complaint except that he was tired. He made no complaint except this is the main clause. That he was tired is the subordinate noun clause. A noun clause can be opposition to nouns or pronouns. Example, it is unfortunate that you were absent. It is unfortunate is the main clause. That you were absent is subordinate noun clause. A noun clause is a group of words which contain a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of a noun.